Hi, my name is Charles Winfield. Today I'll be presenting challenging concepts that I learned from Module 9, 3 concepts. All right, so I'll just be going over real quick 3 challenging concepts that I encountered during the code blog Module 9. And the first one was remembering to merge the feature branch with the dev branch. And the reason why you want to do this is after you complete a uh, implementation on your feature branch, you need to merge it with the dev branch so that when you go back in or someone else goes back in and logs into another branch, they can pull the features down. So that way you can keep track of updates. So managing multiple feature branches simultaneously, uh, which need to be merged, create a workflow confusion. It's easy to lose track of work in progress and accidentally commit to the wrong branch or forget to pull a pull request before merging. So that was one of the things that I found challenging was remembering to make a pull request every time I went to another branch. And then the other thing was making sure that the changes were pushed locally to GitHub. So I was doing the pushes, but they weren't. I wasn't pushing to the GitHub. So um, the I want to keep my local branches in tune and in sync with uh, the GitHub branch there on GitHub.com. And the other thing that I found challenging was the login status feature. When I was working on the login status, keeping it logged in, I didn't want to go outside the parameters that were stated. This was an extra feature that was not necessarily required but okayed to implement. And it required coordinating between the front end state management, the context API, and the back end session handling, secure token storage, and maintaining state consistency when the page refreshes. So at first, I just kind of like had something hard coded in there, just using a string. But then I actually created a new uh, component to handle that. So I found that pretty challenging here. And then yeah, you can see down here, these are the files that were associated with that, the session state management, which was used already, and then additional backend validation with logout endpoints. Because one of the other challenges that I was facing going through this was when the user logs out, uh, it was in the message there that they were offline, but if they just closed the browser, it wouldn't show that they were offline automatically. So I had to input some functionality there to say, okay, if the user hasn't been active for 2 minutes with no events occurring, then go ahead and log that user out. So those were the 3 challenges, 3 concepts that I found challenging. I look forward to seeing you in the next module.